you can incorporate this into your skincare lightening routine by applying this in the morning, then you apply your treatment or your lightening cream in the night. So hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is HBM Organic Beauty. On this channel I do everything skincare. I make skincare product, I do skincare review and lifestyle. So welcome here. Yeah, I've been testing the waters. You guys know I've been making skincare product on this channel. I do review, but I think it's been a long time I did review, and I have those products I had to test. I had to dish my own product aside to test this product. I've been seeing reviews about this product on YouTube, and I was like, what is so special about this product? I need to try it out. I bought this skincare product from the store and I've been using it, I think, for like more than a week now, and yeah, it's not actually bad. And I am talking about this skincare product, like it is called Simple. Yeah, Simple. I think the name is just Simple. That's the name of the brand. So I got the micellar water, I got the facial wash, and I got the replenishing rich moisturizer, and I've been using it along with my sunscreen because yeah, I'm a very big fan of Misha sunscreen. So I'm just here to review my own, like tell you what's up with this product. It's actually an affordable skincare product you can get, and I notice it's a skincare product that is super good for almost all skin type. Like the face wash, if you take a good look at me, you will see that I'm this acneic skin person, but this face wash did not break me out. It's just a simple basic face wash which contains vitamin B5 and vitamin E. Then it contains pro amino acid and it's kind to the skin. So this is basically good for all skin type. There's no color, no perfume, no harsh chemical that can upset your skin. So this is actually a mild, simple face wash that you can use no matter your skin type, and like I said, it is very affordable. So I'm just here to tell you how I have been using this product. I just use this three basically for my face, okay? So I just want to tell you how I use them. So my morning routine, especially for my face, whenever I wake up and I want to have my bath, I wash with this. I've been washing with this despite the fact that I have a body wash that is meant for face and body, but I've been using this. So I just basically in my bedroom, you know, just put some and I wash my face with it, and it's actually nice. There's no fragrance, no any fragrance, you know. I just use that. At this point I think I need to take off my wig because I'm in my office. So you guys, I just, you know, use this on my face, wash my face with it, and I wash up my face. So let me go wash up my face. So I observe this is so moisturizing. It doesn't dry out the skin. It does not have any fragrance at all. So for you pregnant women, I'm very sure you will like this because I know most pregnant women are so sensitive to fragrances. And for acneic skin person, or whether you're a sensitive skin person, this is very, very good because it is so moisturizing. It doesn't dry out the face. Like I know so many face wash out there that dries out the skin, but this one so moisturizing. And that is it about this face wash. So refreshing for a smooth and healthy looking skin. So this is going to give you a glowing, healthy skin. Like you're gonna glow. So next, after washing my face, I just go in and apply the micellar water, or call it toner. I just call it toner. Now applying toner in your routine is actually not something that is necessary, because your face moisturizer or your face cream is actually one core skincare product you shouldn't miss in your skincare routine. So yeah, I had to buy this because yes, I really want to test this product. So I go ahead, I apply my micellar water. I usually use cotton pad, but trust me, I'm in the office. But this is another way I apply my toner in case I don't have cotton pad. So I just go ahead, I just put my toner on my hand, then I pat it, you know. So one thing with this toner, it doesn't have any fragrance, like no perfume at all. It's just a pure micellar water pure micellar water. So this, they said, it gently removes makeup and it hydrates the skin. It contains vitamin B3 and it contains vitamin C, so it contains antioxidant, and yeah, it is so good for morning routine because of the vitamin B, which is the niacinamide, and the vitamin C in it. So this is very okay for your morning routine. Yeah, it contains vitamin C, or vitamin C. So I go ahead and I apply this on my face like that, or you apply with cotton pad, but for me, I enjoy applying my face toner like this. I just apply on my face and I pat in. Yeah, and I'm done. So that is it. We are done with the toner, we are done with the face wash. So next thing, I just go ahead and I apply my face moisturizer. I like this face moisturizer. This is just a face moisturizer, so if you think this is going to whiten your skin, no, it's not going to whiten your skin. You can incorporate this into your skincare, like your lightening routine, by applying this in the morning, then you apply your treatment or your lightening cream in the night. So this one is just a face moisturizer, but one thing I like about this is because it contains vitamin B, antioxidants, it contains vitamin E, it contains niacinamide. There is no perfume, no harsh chemical that will upset your skin. And again, it's written here that apply morning or evening on the face and neck for best results. Use after our facial wash. That was why I bought this facial wash, because I want to sample this thing to the core. And trust me, I didn't even break out. Me, normally, as the acne skin person, I'm supposed to break out, but this product is just a product that does not contain too much active. There's no too much active like arbutine or any other active. There's no too much ingredients, so it's just a simple skincare product that works fine, and you know, low budget for that matter. So I just go ahead, I apply my face moisturizer, and you know, can see the way it is so soft, so milky and soft. You know, I just go ahead, I apply this on my face. So this, I've actually been moisturizing my face, keeping it hydrated, especially in the morning. So this is what I apply on my face. This face cream here, it's been written on this label that this will keep you 12 hours, like it's going to give you 12 hours moisturization, and it is an antioxidant plus anti-pollution. So I just like this. Actually, it's not bad, it is very good. So if you want to go on a simple, affordable skincare routine, you can just follow this skincare routine that I'm showing to you guys. Is actually what I use. I'm not trying to review this based on what I did not use. You can see I bought this with my money and I am reviewing it to you guys. It's actually what I use. So what I usually do when I apply a face moisturizer or my face cream, I usually wait for 30 minutes before I apply my sunscreen, because I want all the, you know, actives or ingredients in this product to actually enter my skin or go deep down or penetrate my skin before I go ahead to apply my sunscreen. This is my sunscreen. I love to use this. I use Misha and I use Skin Aqua. So I just apply my sunscreen. Please stop managing sunscreen. Don't manage your sunscreen. Stop managing. Apply them. Apply on your ear. Don't forget your ear. Don't forget your neck, so that you don't have hyperpigmentation on your neck. Don't forget your lips. Your lips also can get hyperpigmented, like it's, you can, your lips can burn. That's why I see most people having a very dark lips. So once with this sunscreen, it enters the skin. Like, don't worry, just give it a little time. Okay, so what I usually do at times when I just apply like this, I don't stress myself. I just leave it on my skin for like, you know, 3 minutes, just see what will happen. You will see that everything will just blend in. You can see like the sunscreen is already blending in itself. So I just, you know, use my hand to help the sunscreen blend in properly. I don't forget my ears and I don't forget my neck. Normally sunscreen, you're supposed to protect every opened part of your body, so that is why it is highly recommended that always cover up your body so that you don't get sunburn. Okay, so that is it, and this is my simple skincare routine for now. So you guys, if you're using this product, please just give me your comment down there in the comment section. This product is a basic product that you can actually try out, and I know to some people they might feel offended that I've just tagged this product basic. I call it basic because it's actually a simple product and it is affordable and it is not bad. Like, I like it. It's okay. It's okay. So if you want me to do more of reviews like this for you, or you want me to actually niche out a particular skincare routine for you guys, please just comment down there in the comment section below. You know, don't forget, I'm an international esthetician. I don't know why I've actually not been doing my aesthetic job on this channel. Come on, I'm angry. I think I'm gonna start doing that now. So just drop down there in the comment section you have any skin concern that you want me to address. Comment down there in the comment section. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video. Bye.